here to express my view in favor of the topic our nurses, our future. Nurses. The word simply describes its meaning. Like N for nobility, U for understanding, R for responsibility, S for sympathy, E for empathy. Nurses are the backbone of our healthcare system, but still in our society there are some orthodox people are present who thinks that nursing means only to provide care to the patient and only inject medication to the patient. But this is not like that. Nursing is far better than that. And to encourage and to support and encourage the nurses, the International Council of Nurses celebrate Nurses Day every year on May 12, which is also the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. She was a legend during her life period and was one of the most famous women in the British history. She was also awarded with the name the Lady with the Lamp because during the Crimean War, when the soldiers are wounded and hurted, at the night time they were screaming and crying. At that time, Florence Nightingale took a lamp in her hand and reached them to provide care. That's why she was awarded with the Lady with the Lamp. Focusing on the brighter future of nursing and how this profession will help to improve the global health for all is the center of this year's Nurses Day celebration. Every year there is a different theme for Nurses Day and the theme for this year is Our Nurses, Our Future. Before making a vision into a future, we should always take a glance to our past. Similarly, like we should learn from the pandemic and translate those actions into the future. The statement, Our Nurses, Our Future, is simply highlighting the importance of nurses in health sector and their critical role in making up the future of the healthcare system. Nurses significantly provide care to the patient and promote the health and wellness of the patient and advocating the needs of their patient. The major aim of the theme of this year is to protect, respect and add value to the nurses who are working in hospital sectors. Nurses are the unsung warrior of the healthcare industries who provide care from the birth of a child to the end life of a critically ill patient. Sometimes nurses are overworked. Still, they are ready to console their patient and provide care to the patient. Profession, we should to support or encourage the nursing profession, it is essential to provide highly nursing education, nursing training, provide adequate resources and the negligence and address the negligence why the nurses are quitting healthcare sectors. Now I want all of you to remember that nurses can dispense care, comfort, compassion without even a prescription. At last, I want to conclude my topic with a quotation that being a nurse means to hold your own emotion and make smiles in people's faces. That is what all I want to say today. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all of you.